Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make my template 19 flower with this center. The center tutorial will possibly be up before this flower tutorial. What you're going to need is a 8-inch wide 7-sided polygon base or a septagon. And then for the petal sizes, you're going to need 7 cuts of each side, starting with the largest at 7.5 inch tall, 6.5, 5.5, 4.5, and then 3.5 inch tall. The smallest size, the middle slit, is about 1 inch, and then you just gradually increase for each petal size increase. So this flower is going to be really simple to make, and we're going to start by gluing the middle portion or the middle slit together and overlapping about 1 inch for the largest petal size, and then continue for all of the petal sizes. Now that all the petals are glued, we are going to start gluing the largest piece first onto the base. We're going to glue just the left side and line it with the center of the base, and I just do from corner to corner to make sure they're about even. And then now I'm going to glue the whole length of the bottom, and then just try to put it in evenly and continue all the way around for this first layer. Now for the last petal, I like to put it under the first petal and then glue it down so that it looks more uniformed and when you go around. Now once again, for the first petal of each layer, I like to glue just the left side so that the last petal can go under the side and look more uniform all the way around. And I'm just going to repeat this gluing process for the rest of the layers, and place the starting petal and the following petals in between the previous layers, and then go all the way around until we get to the last petal. So now that the flower is completed, we are going to put the center in. I'm just going to glue the whole bottom. then I'm going to align it in the center of the flower as best as possible. And just push down on it slightly from the top. And there you have it, the flower is completed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you find these tutorials helpful.